sidewalks in, we got the grass growing. Hey, I'm ready to get up out this thing. You know what I'm talking about?
We stay here, right? He doesn't have 30 inches of space for this stuff.
Oh yeah?
He has 29 3/4. And the left side countertop is key. Stay here, right? He doesn't have 30 inches of space for this stuff.
Oh yeah?
He has 29 3/4. And the left side countertop is inside the cabinet. It's supposed to be flush with the.
Say that again?
It's supposed to be flush with this.
Yeah.
It's 29
It's supposed to be 30.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 30.
It's 20.
Actually, really, this piece it needs to be cut off half inch.
I see you. Yeah, so that's my granite guy, Jimenez. Man, he did my granite on my first flip. That's how long I've been dealing with this dude, man. And he real efficient. He pointing out mistakes. I know all contractors point out everybody else's mistakes, but I actually measured it myself, and it was 29 3/4. And everybody knows the standard stove is 30 inches, so we're gonna have to cut some of the granite, or kind of maneuver some stuff. But he pointed that out, so that means he not gonna make the same mistake. Knock on wood. But yeah, man, we out here, man. We out here in the rain. It's been a long day. It's after 5 o'clock. We still out here. We got our contractors sanding, mudding the walls. We got our drywall guys here. We had our framers here earlier until we ran out of wood, which is a great problem. We got some more 2x10s coming tomorrow. I'm walking around just seeding the lawn, the grass, because it's a whole different vibe out here, man. We've been walking on mud for a year straight, a whole year straight on mud. So now that we got the sidewalks in, we got the grass growing. Hey, I'm ready to get up out this thing. You know what I'm talking about? Meet me in Cancun. Yeah.